This lecture will be covering dictionaries, which are another type of data structure supported in Python. And here we can compare dictionaries with associative arrays in other programming languages. In Python, dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. As you can see, we have a couple of ways defining a dictionary. For instance, over here you can see we can go with the tuple approach, where we have a curly bracket and then the keys are specified in a string and colon, then the values. So key values are basically separated by a colon. Other approaches by making use of the constructor method, that's the dictionary constructor method, and here we specify the key equals the value. So here we have A equals 1, B equals 2, and C equals 3. Once we have defined a dictionary, we have to take care of that the keys of a dictionary are immutable, but the values are not. So here you can see we can go ahead and update the value of key C to 5 instead of 3, and when we will run this, we'll get the value 1, 2, and 5 instead of 1, 2, and 3. In order to print the key and values of a dictionary, we have this for loop where we say dictionary.items, and then we can just print the key as well as the value. Now if you just want to print the keys alone, then we can do that as well by making use of dict.keys method, and here we are just printing the keys. Similarly, we can go for values as well. So here we can say dictionary.values and then print all the values. If you want to find out whether a key exists in a dictionary or not, one way is by making use of this in method. So here we are saying print A in dictionary. So if the key with this name exists in the dictionary, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Now if you want to get the value of a key irrespective whether it exists in a dictionary or not without throwing any errors, in that case we have the get method. So we say dictionary.get and then the key of which you want the value. So here we have the key as Z, and as you can see it's not existing in our dictionary. In that case the value of X will be none. So now let's go ahead and run this to see it in action. First we can see the key values are being printed, then key alone, and then values alone. Here you can see A exists in dictionary, so it prints true over here, and as you can see Z does not exist in a dictionary, so that's why we get none. Now if I just go here and say A instead of Z, save this and run it again, you'll notice the value is now being printed for the key A. So A holds 1, and you can see that the value of C was also updated to 5. So that was all about dictionaries in Python.